Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you export video in Clipchamp. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Clipchamp. So once you've opened up and logged into your Clipchamp application, so or on your browser or on your app, so whatever it is. All right, so what you need to do now is if you want to export a video, first you need to import it. So let's import a video. So for example, go to create new video. So I'll just select that and then let me choose a video to import. So I'll just choose a video. So for example, let me find a video. So I'll just use this. So just click and drag it. Okay, so click and drag it, and then what I'm going to do, so if you want to export it, you need to bring it to your timeline, and then once you have imported it, you need to bring it to your timeline and work and play with it. I mean, like make some changes and work with it. So whatever the editing need to be done, so for example, I'll bring it to my timeline here. Okay, so you have to bring it to your timeline here, and if there is anything you need to have in order to export, you need to have something on your timeline so that you can export it. All right, so I've bring it to my timeline. Then if you have anything to edit here, so whatever you want to editing that needs to be done, you can like do that. So or if you do, you can do that, and once you're done with that, then now you're all good to export. You can export. So to do so, it's just simply hit on this export option here. So when you hit on this export option here you'll get to choose the resolution for your video. So you can choose 480, 720, or 1080p. So you can choose that. For example, I will choose this one 480. That's good enough for demos. So I'll just choose that. And all it's going to do now is it's going to save your video. So it's going to take some time to save this. So once this is saved, then what happens is the file, once this is exported, I mean, then your file will be saved to your system, to your computer, and that's pretty much it is. So that's how it works. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. You just need to import your video and then export it. So now, as you can see, the video that I exported has been saved under my downloads on my computer. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.